If people say your dreams are crazy and if they laugh at what you think you can do, good. Stay that way. Probably the biggest influence on where we are today have had the founders of TECNAM Company. They teaches us that without dreams, nothing can succeed. So these dreams lead us here, to Italy, where airplanes are born every single day. These are our products. Safe, fast and beauty airplanes. More than 30 types of aircraft. Advanced ultralight, light sport, certified VFR, IFR and special mission. Top quality, only the best contractors, only the safest engines, only the latest avionics. And our one and only Italian style. We build it, you buy it. Simple as it is. No matter where you are. Europe, America, Asia, Middle East, our dreams will arrive anywhere. Our great history is still in progress, and now we know that even the most unreal dreams can turn into reality. So if people say your dreams are crazy, if they laugh at what you think you can do, stay that way. Because what non-believers fail to understand is that calling a dream crazy is not an insult, it's a compliment. This is the greatest wisdom which we will never reject. We are the dreamers. We are TECNAM.